Hi everyone, today we're going to be doing a video on how to make your own paper beads, and you can make a necklace like the one that I've got, or you can make a bracelet or anything that you would like that you would normally make with beads. And this is a great way to use things around the house. You shouldn't need to go out and get anything for this craft. I'm going to be using an old magazine that's got some really lovely bright colours. You can use an old magazine, some junk mail, you might have some really lovely wrapping paper or origami paper you might want to use. Any sort of paper is good really. And this activity, we'd probably recommend this for about ages 8 and up, only because it's a little bit fiddly. Younger kids can get involved if they wanted to, they'd probably just need a bit more help from the adults than the older kids would. And our materials that we're going to need today are, you're going to need a ruler and a pencil and scissors. And to make our beads, we'll be wrapping paper around a long round shape. You'll see sometimes people recommend making paper beads out of a little toothpick. I find it a tiny bit too thin. I prefer something a little bit thicker, so I've got a paintbrush here. I'll be using the edge of a paintbrush. You might have something like a kitchen skewer or just something around the house that's narrow enough but not too thin that it's hard to thread string through. And you'll need some string and just some white craft glue and a brush to put it on with. If you don't have glue like this, you could use a glue stick. Alright, let's get started. Okay, thanks everyone for watching our video today on how to make paper beads. Hope you have fun trying this at home, and we'll see you in the next video.